Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to create a bind mount on AlmaLinux 9. First, navigate to the directory where you want to create a bind mount using the following command. Next, create two directories, green01 and green02, using green01 as the source and green02 as a bind mount. Then, use the following command to list the directories. Change the directory to green01 and create multiple files using the following commands. Next, create the bind mount by using the following command. Then, navigate to the destination directory and list the contents in the directory. As you can see, the files in the source folder green01 have been copied to the destination folder green02. Next, to check the bind mounts entry, navigate to the following location by using the following command. You can see the mounted link folders. Next, to unbind the mount, use the following command. Then, verify the bind mount directory where the contents of the source directory are removed by using the following command. So, after unmounting, files were deleted from the destination folder green02. Finally, verify the bind mount entry in mtab by using the following command. Now, the bind mount has been removed.